Just imagine harnessing the power of the sun right from your rooftop. It's not a distant dream, but a reality with Inala Solar Projects. Inala Solar Projects isn't just another solar installation company. We're your neighbors, your friends, your trusted partners in sustainability. Our expertise in solar technology is second to none, and we're committed to making solar energy accessible and affordable for everyone. Listen to John, one of our satisfied customers. Inala Solar Projects transformed my home. Their personalized service and the savings on my energy bills, unmatched. And Mary, another happy client, says, I love knowing I'm doing my part for the planet with Inala Solar Projects. They made the process easy and worry-free. But don't just take their word for it. Experience the Inala difference yourself. Harness the sun, save money, and join the solar revolution with Inala Solar Projects. Book your free site assessment today and explore how we can meet your solar energy needs. Make a choice for the future. Choose Inala Solar Projects.